ModuleWorks Insider Conference 2026. We're celebrating our 10th anniversary and the event has just grown. And we're here to engage, we're here to collaborate, we're here to plan to solve the future of manufacturing.
Bringing together such a diverse group of companies and also ModuleWorks partners in a big castle, it really reflects our motto of get there faster, but together.
We can't even realize the complex topic of data-based optimizations, artificial intelligence. I think that's the special spirit of MIC2026.
I would not know any comparable event in the world where it is so focused around the changes which are currently happening in the industries.
Going back and forth of the value of AI and end up talking quite a bit about how we work together to move the industry forward.
I think what stands out to me is just the amount of different partners in the manufacturing space and how ModuleWorks ties us all together.
Machine tool builders, CAD/CAM software vendors, tool makers all together united. MIC2026 was very inspiring for me.
Just to see my friends that I've been working with over the last several years in one space, and you could pretty much talk to anybody in the value chain.
I like that the together concepts are actually applied, especially in terms of reducing fragmentation. That was quite impressive.
It's been great to work with mutual partners where we get 3, 4, 5 vendors working together to bring new and innovative solutions to the industry.
The partnership with ModuleWorks is on the basis of the real developers, which we are also meeting here. So that's a great exchange for us and what we need to implement for the next stages then.
I really love to feel the CAD/CAM spirit here. It's truly amazing and this established technology is still growing.
Die Guided Tours kommen sehr, sehr gut an. Die Resonanz wird immer besser und es wird auch einfach geschätzt, dass wir das anbieten. Ich habe viele sehr gute Kundengespräche und das Feedback ist absolut positiv.
The workshop gave me a lot of insight on how the collaboration takes place and how that helps everything upstream. Very, very eye-opening.
The customers are so happy with us and there's a lot of tasks coming to us and I think this will grow in the next years.
It's again a really nice experience, definitely worth to follow up this year.
Really nice location. I feel that I came on a summer holiday.
It's nice to be part of MIC2026.
So many happy people here and a lot of networking and an open atmosphere. There will be a MIC2028 coming up.
We are looking forward to the next meet.
And that was ModuleWorks Insider Conference 2026. What an experience. See you at the next MIC.